An elevated fire threat will continue through the weekend, primarily west of the Interstate 35 corridor. Rain chances return next week, with thunderstorms possible on Tuesday.
Still in closing. Police are looking for Sylvia Lopez.
Old, white, female, 5 feet, 8 inches tall, 200 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing unknown clothing in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a blue 2010 Volkswagen Jetta Baron PX license plate number South BL1628. The suspect was last seen in Point, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Rains County Sheriff's Office at 903-473-3181. News media point of contact is Rains County Sheriff's Office at 903-473-3181. The current time is 4